Hey guys, kamusta kayo? This is our first video of our 1,000 pesos challenge kung saan I'm gonna show you how you can earn some side income with trading crypto markets. So this is designed for mainstream people na wanted to start trading or wanted to start learning how to trade. I recently, nakipag-usap ako sa mga friends ko and I told them what trading is and introduce it to them. So maybe they can watch this video as well, and for people na interested, just watch this video. I'll try to show you a lot of example every day. Almost every day naman nagte-trade ako. Sometimes sa weekend medyo slow yung market, so hindi ako nagte-trade. So usually siguro walang upload during weekends na lang. But for the most part, if you really want to learn, if you're a student, if you're like me na may full-time job and you want to have a side income, then this is for you. So don't try to limit yourself. Sometimes ma-overwhelm ka, pero as human beings, we are designed to learn everything, and the thing that I'm gonna show you is very easy, very straightforward. Alam kong ma-overwhelm ka, pero that's part of learning, and the good thing about this is it's pure repetition, pure examples, so no theory. I won't talk about anything na that is not shown or there's no example para makita nyo talaga. So to start off everything, I want to say na I'm a algorithmic trader. So what's algorithmic trader? Well, mostly statistics, mostly data science, mostly talaga numbers. So what I do is I find a strategy, backtest it, and if it works statistically, yan yung pina-focus ko. So I have one main indicator na ginagamit ko, and maybe I can share this, but for now this is how it looks like. Wala siyang So how it works is meron siyang mga signal dyan. This red ones are signals that you should enter. So the good thing about this is even na kahit i-enter mo every time yung signals na yan, it's statistically still profitable. Pero that was what I was doing for a while. Meron akong bot na exactly doing that, pero I found out na there's another thing that's much more consistent, and that's pairing your statistical advantage with your technical analysis. So how that works is every time you have a signal, you will pair it up with your technical analysis. For example, yung kakalabas lang. So I noticed na may level of resistance dyan. So resistance is a point na kung saan the price are rejecting. So that's a previous resistance level drawn by this box. So once we hit that level, it had a signal. So yan yung mga times na you should enter a trade, or you should look for a trade. So yan yung setup. If you ask me, it's possible, or this is a high likelihood na papasukin natin. So before that, also want to start from the beginning muna before we enter the trade. So first and foremost, there's like about 300 plus market in Bybit that you can trade. So if you check each one, masyadong time consuming, especially for me. When I enter a trade, I only take 15 to 30 minutes of my time. So yung gagawin mo is or what I did was meron akong filter that just scouts the market for me with my given requirements, at inilalagay ko sa Discord. So this is real time. Meron diyang server na nagra-run na nagsasend ng signal. Kaka-off ko lang, pero when I need it, I can turn it on 24/7. If you wanna use it, just let me know. I can invite you sa channel. So yung mangyari dyan is it's gonna shoot out a signal, di ba? and then you're gonna do your technical analysis, but simple support and resistance lang yung recommend ko, and you can already get it. For example, ito signal dito, this is the latest candle, may signal siya. As you can see, it's already starting to go down, and as you notice, there is a previous resistance level as well. So that's pair up with your technical analysis. That alone is already a good setup for you to enter. So about technical analysis, medyo there's gonna be a lot of it, and I'm gonna teach you, you know, how to make a proper judgment. Pero this alone is enough for you to enter a trade, in my opinion. Kasi it's already statistically proven na itong mga signal na to, it's about more than 50% win rate. So if you know something na above 50%, you're already profitable. Kasi you can adjust your risk eh. For example, if you every time you win, you get $10, and every time you lose, you get $5. If you have 50% win rate, then you're already profitable, diba? You just rinse and repeat. So that's one thing. And right now, nag-enter na ako ng trade based on that setup. Right now, same lang siya actually. Same lang siya ng ganito, pero different market lang. Usually, I enter 2 to 3 markets at a time para hindi tayo ma-single out. Pero for this time, I don't know, baka na busy ako, kaya isa lang na enter ko. So same setup lang siya, may signal, tapos may signal siya, tapos may level of resistance. Or I think this is from the volume profile na hindi ko pa napakita. Ayan, 15-minute ata. Hindi siya sa 1 day lang yung main signal, pero nag zoom in ako sa 15 minutes, and I think ito yun. Okay, I remember na. So we're using volume profile. Volume profile is one of the best in indicators or tools that will help you trade better. So to give you a context, I think yung first tournament here in the Philippines in trading, yung nanalo or one of the top guys are actually using volume profile. So at the very least, it's something na you should consider as something that is decent, if not good, diba? So how it works is the lines here are essentially the volume, or for me it's like the interest points. So mga level na yan is where the price tends to get rejected because a lot of people are trading at that prices. For example, this line here is like a point of control, where if you go down, most likely you're gonna go down until the next point, which is this one, the bulk here. So this low volume node is what people call fair value gap. So if you're an ICT trader, you should know about this, because that's the reason why ICT doesn't work, because of this thing alone. If you saw a fair value gap and then you just assume it's a fair value gap, you're gonna lose out a lot of times. My recommendation is open a volume profile and check it out if there's low volume. If it's low volume, that's legit a volume or a fair value gap. So in a fair value gap, what they say is if price visit that area, it's gonna bounce back, which is true, but do you know why, diba? So the main reason is bullish people will tend to defend at the best point. So what I mean is, if ever na mag-collide or mag-approach na siya ditong area, this is a point of no return, because nobody's gonna help you here because there's no volume. Pero dito, it's like the last line, it's like medyo may volume pa, so yan ni-reject siya, diba? So that's how fair value gaps work, and how the strategy of fair value gap work, diba? And then once price goes to this area, it's most likely gonna stop here, diba? So I'm really hoping na price would go down here so that I can take profit around this area. So yan yung game plan ko. But yeah, it might sound confusing, but if you already know how to trade, you should understand this. But if not, then I'm gonna show a lot of examples, but keep in mind that it's a case-to-case basis. You don't have to follow it. It's like you gather all the kumbaga mga hints, mga stories of the market, the current situation, and then overall you kind of weigh in kung ano yung the best action. So for me, it's gonna be short. It looks like it's rejected, so I'm a bit worried na siguro close na natin kasi na-reject siya. I'm just looking at it, and sometimes I change my mind based on what's happening, di ba? Pero yan, nare-reject siya kasi yung nakikita ko sa other markets ganito, medyo bumaba na rin siya. Pero for to this, or maybe it's not that bad, pero I'll check this out and see how it goes. If you have questions, if you want to join the Discord, just let me know so that you can get the signals. There's also another signal here. It's a support and resistance alerts. So basically yung nangyari dyan is kanina pa to, pero it's also gonna put you in a spot na may support and resistance. So for example, ito ata yun, so that you don't have to search for the market. So if you know how to trade and you want filters, you can use this, and this is up for you na. You want to enter a long here or bala ka na, but that's how it works. It's gonna save you a lot of time. You just copy paste, check mo saan yung level, and then you enter a trade based on your technical analysis. So yan lang. I'll update you on the next one. Hopefully I can take profit here, and para mabilis yung mag-grow ng account natin. Hopefully we get a win streak and we can grow our account faster. So yun lang for now. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.